be for everyone, and I'm going to teach you how to update the firmware on your Crystal Focus X. This method only applies if you have a 2-switch setup. So here we go. CFX here, set up with a speaker and some switches and a battery pack and all that. Step 1, you're going to go ahead and remove your battery, get it out, and then step 2, you're going to take out your SD card, okay? You can also leave your battery in and hook up to your computer using the micro USB port and then going to mass storage on the menu. Next, go to your computer, put the SD card inside of it. Next, we're going to go to the Plector Labs website. So here we go, Plector Labs, right? Click the butter on the toast. Left side column, CFX, firmware, and updates. Nightly builds, boom. So this page has all of the firmwares. There's beta firmware, which is not yet stable. They're testing things. You can try it, but it's risky. Or you can click one of the stables. Click it, and it will begin to download automatically. You can then open the file, and you can extract its contents because it's compressed. So you gotta extract it. So we're gonna pick where we want it to go. First, we're gonna click Browse, and I'm just gonna send it to my desktop. Select that folder and extract. There's already one there. Yes, let's replace it. That file is now on my desktop. We can close out the internet. We don't need it anymore. There is, right there, Crystal Focus X, blah, 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 firmware, fw.dat. That is the firmware update file. So we're going to copy it. Control C, we're going to copy. We're going to go to our SD card, which is right here. We're going to paste that file onto the SD card, right? And then we need to rename it. So we're going to highlight it. We're going to rename. We're going to take everything out except for the FW. We're going to keep that. So, bzzz, boink, right? So then you're going to eject your SD card. Ooh. And we're going to go put it back into the CFX. Back over here at the CFX, the battery is still out. I'm going to insert the SD card. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Then I'm going to put the battery in to power it. Now, while it's powered, both your switches, okay? This is the tricky part I'm going to have to try to do with one hand. You have to hold both switches down, okay? So I'm going to try to set the phone down. I'm going to hold both switches down. I also want to get this to where you can see the red LED on the other side. Okay, I got it. So I'm going to hold switches down. 3, 2, 1, hold them down. I'm going to remove the battery, right? I'm still going to keep holding these switches down and put the battery back in. You'll notice the light blinks for 4 to 5 seconds and then stops. When it does, you can let go of the buttons and it flashes. Now it is in bootloader mode. It's ready to be updated. Find your power switch, click it to activate the update. It will flash quickly.
Firmware updated.
And when it's done, it'll tell you firmware updated.
Question for another time.
That's how you update your firmware. Congratulations, you just updated your CFX. Pretty simple, wasn't it?